guys, today I'm filming the next update in my rolling non-makeup project pan. It has been about 3 weeks since I filmed my last update, and I do have some empties, and there are a few products that are pretty close that should be done next month, which is great. And I actually have a ton of declutters, but let's start with my empties. I have 4 products from this project, and then I have 3 miscellaneous empties that I will go ahead and show you. So first would be my leave-in product, the Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primer. I absolutely love this as a leave-in. I think it detangles very nicely. It has an incredible scent. This was right at the top when I rolled it in. I have 3 more of these in my collection. I just got another one in an Ulta free gift. I said that funny. I was trying to say freebie and free gift. So that's great. I told you guys I am going to use up 1 more that I have, and then I'm going to save the last 2 for traveling for next year because I'm really getting down there with my leave-ins. But this is something that if I could get it 40 or 50% off, I would absolutely repurchase this. I think it works just as well as it's a 10, but I like the scent of this one better. Then for skincare, I did finish the new Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. I got this, I believe, in a glossy box. I really miss when I was getting those in PR. That was really fun, and this is definitely one of the best products that I got from there. I'd never heard of this brand before. I'm sure this is super pricey. It lasted me a long time, and this was a fantastic face scrub. It had more of that sandy consistency, which I love. I feel like it exfoliates the best without being too harsh. And this looks like a small container, but I did not overuse it. I didn't need too much, and it lasted a really long time. I do really love my face scrub from Clinique, so I would not repurchase this unless I could get it really discounted, because I just know this is going to be super expensive. But I've tried a lot of face scrubs, and this really is one of the best. Then my friend Amanda had sent me a foil sample of the Belif True Cream Aqua Balm. You guys know this is my favorite daytime moisturizer. Got through this pretty quickly. I already have a full size, but I would definitely buy this again in the future. And lastly, we have a body empty, the Topicals Slather Exfoliating Body Serum. I was all the way down here. This is something that I'm using on my thighs, where it's either like clogged pores or just KP. I can't quite tell, but some chemical exfoliation there is definitely needed, and I love the consistency of this. I'm using something else right now, which I'll show you in a minute, and I think it's fine. This is way better. I randomly got this in PR, and it was absolutely fantastic. You can buy this on their own website. You can buy this at Sephora. This was really fantastic. Definitely would recommend this if you're looking for more of a chemical exfoliant for your body, but it just feels like a super silky serum. Then for my random empties, I finished 2 deodorants. This one from Degree is a little mini I got in probably a pinch me box that I had in my travel bag. I don't like the scent of this, and I also don't feel like this kept me as dry as the Dove one. I think I might repurchase it for travel, because so far I've only seen the Dove and the cucumber scent, and I hate cucumbers, so I would probably purchase this just in a travel size. And then for the Dove, I have the Sheer Fresh purple bottle. I think I prefer Sheer Cool, whichever one is blue. I like that scent much better. That's what I'm using now, and I would not repurchase this scent, but I really do think that this is pretty good at keeping me dry and smelling fresh most of the day, and a bottle usually lasts me about 3 months. And lastly, I used up a nose spray. I cannot stand, like most people, not being able to breathe when I'm sick, and this works so well. I am not a medical person. I'm no doctor, so I'm sorry if this is not good for you or whatnot. Obviously, be careful. Only use it the recommended amount of times. But this is Vicks Sinex Severe, the moisturizing version. This is fantastic. I bought another one right away because, unfortunately, when you have a toddler that is in daycare, you will get sick all the time. We've already been sick multiple times, and it's not even winter yet, so this is great if you are looking for a nose spray recommendation. So now moving on to the things that I'm currently using, starting with hair. For shampoo conditioner, I had the DermaE Thickening, and for my shampoo, I was here, then down here, and then I stopped using this part way through the month. I'm going to give this to my friend Lauren. I feel like this product is what was giving me those dry patches on my scalp which is odd, and I literally have never heard of anybody else having this reaction. So Lauren, I'm not thinking that it's going to happen to you at all, and I could totally be wrong. It could be something else that's doing it to me, but regardless, I have other shampoos that I can use, and I still have more than half of this left, so I want to pass it on. But I am going to be keeping the conditioner because I've already used a ton of this, especially at this point. It's almost done. So I went from here to here. This will be done in a month or two. It will be finished by the end of the year. So that will be nice to have this system out of my collection. And then the shampoos that I have as replacement, this is something older in my collection. It's just a little mini of the First Aid Beauty Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. And I've used this 3 times so far, and it doesn't seem like too much. I wash my hair every other day, and I've used this every time, and it seems fine. And I have been taking my conditioner up on my scalp a little bit to kind of preventively help if this is drying my hair out, my scalp out, but I don't know. I'm about down to here, so I think that this will be done by the end of the year, but probably not by next update. I'm not sure if this came completely full or not, but I like the consistency of this so far. And then I mentioned this last time, I didn't show it to you. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This is a 2 fluid ounce size, so this is gonna last me ages. I used it, I believe, only once over the past month. And then for my leave-in, like I said, I am going to roll in another of my Bumble BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primers. This will be done by the end of the year as well. I think 2 months should be just enough time to get through this, probably a little bit sooner. So for skincare, I showed you guys last month a bunch of products from Verse that I wanted to test out to do a brand review on my Instagram. I have not done that yet. I did test out all of my initial products, but then they did just send over 2 more things. So I want to test these out before I post my review. So that would be the Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. I'm nervous. And the Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. So definitely need to try those out. And then these other products I've tested, but I'm not going to incorporate them into my routine. I have a few other things I want to try to finish by the end of the year, and then starting in January I will do some more brand reviews. But let me quickly show you the other things that I have tested and will not continue using and don't have really any progress on them. Sweet Relief Overnight Barrier Balm, the Photos Please Brightening Tightening Mask, I used that 1 time, the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution, Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, Just Breathe Clarifying Serum, and the Guards Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen. Now for the products that I will be using. So for my makeup remover, for the past month, I think a little bit over a month, I have been using the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm, and I absolutely love this so far. You guys know I mentioned it so many times that I am planning on doing a review video at the end of the year of all the different cleansing balms that I've tried, and I have used a ton of this. If I kept using this, it would probably be done in 2 weeks, but I'm going to put this to the side because I have another one to test out. This is from Bioma. I got this from Ulta. This is their Melting Balm Cleanser. So we will see what I think about this. And then for my actual cleanser, I have the Versed Purist Antioxidant Cleanser. And I did make some progress on this, but I want to use something else. I'm going to be taking this out, and I'm going to be rolling in a Flossy Purity Cleanser. This is a 4 fluid ounce size, so this should take me like 6 months or more to go through, but you guys know that I really love this cleanser, and I just feel like getting back to using another one. I haven't even cracked the seal yet on that. Then for face scrub, because I did finish one up, I'm going to continue using the Day Maker Micro Crystal Exfoliator from Versed, and this is completely full, so I'll see if I can make any line markings for next time, but I might also weigh it because this feels full of product but also full of air, so I will try to remember to weigh it. But then for toner, I have the Skin Proud Detox Tonic Daily AHA Exfoliating Tonic. So we went from here to here. This should be finished up by next time, which is great. I'm really loving this so far. Then for my daytime serum, it is the Skin Proud Bright Boost 2% Vitamin C Serum. This is something that I have been weighing, and it started out 1.449 ounces, then went to 1.330. Then last update, it was 1.058. Today, 0.859. So this really feels like it's almost empty. So hopefully this will be finished by next month as well. Also really loving this. My nighttime serum is the DermaE Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. They have a hydrating serum. This is the Dewy Skin one. So you can see a good little bit of progress there. I use like a pump and a quarter of this. I really love it. Then for moisturizer, I am going to be using my oldest, which is the Belif True Cream Aqua Balm. And I've only used this twice so far. This should last me probably till like March or April of next year or something, because I really don't need a ton. I am so sad that I don't have my favorite daytime winter moisturizer, which is the Replenish Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer. It's so pricey though. I would love to have that in my life, but I don't get to Replenish PR anymore, unfortunately. Also, I'll have to take a picture of these Belif products because you guys can never see it on my videos. And then for nighttime, I was using the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and I am, yeah, like about down to here. I absolutely love this. I'm really hoping that they will have a holiday set this year that I can get with a coupon or on sale. They haven't released one yet, but they usually do. This is my favorite nighttime moisturizer, and I don't know that I have anything else for night right now. I think most of the other things I have are daytime. Then for eye cream, I have the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I don't have any other full sizes of this one either, and I am now down to this point, which is exciting. I absolutely love that product. I have tons of minis though, more than I really need to keep on hand for traveling, so I could probably get through like 3 of them because I think I have 5. And then for SPF, I really have not been good about it over the past month, but I did make a little bit of progress on this one. I don't like the first one, okay? I don't like the texture of it, so I went back to the Skin Proud Serious Shade sunscreen. So you can see my markings here. Progress is really slow going on this one, but I really enjoy it, so not really complaining. Then my last skincare product would be the Dr. Zenovia 10% Glycolic Acne Peel Pads. I used 2 of these over the past month. There's still many, many months to go. I only use this on days where I did not wear any makeup, which is very rare. So then getting to the body products, which is where I have usage, I used my Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar 10 times. The rest of my body products, I used them 11 times. I forgot about this one day, and it's getting very small here, which is great. I have decided that no matter how much is left at the end of the year, I'm going to toss it. I hate that I don't have packaging for it, and it doesn't do anything amazing for me. So the end of the year will be done, but I will continue to use it. And then the Mega Babe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask. I did not use this at all because I was sticking to this. So next year I will use this. I just want to update you. I hadn't used it at all, but I probably won't show it to you until the intro for next year. And then for my lotions and potions, we have the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. You can see my progress lines here. So I do think I can have this finished by the end of the year. That looks like about 2 months worth of progress. And again, if I get down to, you know, the last day or 2 before my finale, I will use it on my body. But this has been like a 1.5 years of working on this, and it's not quite a miracle worker. Then what I'm using now on the bumpies on my thighs would be the Maylee's Restart Resurfacing Body Serum. This is much more runny and watery than the topicals. I still like it, but I like the topicals better. So it started out way at the top. Now I am down here. This will probably go till maybe March or something, but that's okay. I use 3 pumps on each leg. And then for lotion, I've been using this on my hands, but also on my forearms. This is the Belif Aqua Balm Hydrating Body Moisturizer, and I am down to here. So this will be done by next update, which is great because I went to work on my Candy Cane scent First Day Beauty Lotion in December. Then I have my Dr. Zenovia Scar Gel Treatment that I have been using on my stretch marks, and we went from here, 2 down here. This will be done next month as well. And now I have a whole bunch of declutter, so I'm just going to grab and go. This is something I always find myself doing towards the end of the year when we're about to get to inventory time, is getting rid of some things that I don't think I'm going to get around to using anytime soon. So I do have a couple of scar products that I want to send to a friend, the DermaE Scar Gel and another of the Dr. Zenovia Scar Gel Treatment. These are things that I can use on my stretch marks, but I think I have a friend who would like these more than me. If she doesn't want them, then I will, you know, take them back and use them up, but I do think that she will take them. Then I have 3 of the Belif Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser. I just don't like the consistency of this. I like my Flossy Purity way more. One of these is used. I'm going to give that to one of my friends, and then the other 2 I'm going to put in a giveaway. I do want to do some giveaways in December for you guys because it's been a long time. Next, I have some products that I have not used but I don't feel like I need. This is a travel size of the DermaE Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. I'm going to give that to the friend that I'm giving the Belif Cleanser to so she can have some travel skincare. Then I'm going to give a different friend this, the Peach and Lily Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. I almost never use masks, and I've gotten a few more NPR recently that I want to test and review. Then also going to pass on the Lawless Forget the Filler Moisturizer. It's not special. I would rather use my Belif product. So I'm going to give that to my friend Jean. And then I have this brand new Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. I have another mini that I really haven't used very much, so I would like to pass this on to a friend. And then I've had this for a bit, thinking I was going to use it. I haven't, and I have another Beachy Wavy hair product, so I don't need to keep this. This is the Sexy Hair Texture Surfer Girl Dry Texturizing Spray. So I'm not sure how many declutters that was, but I think quite a few. I think that was 10 declutters, so yay me. I will tell you, I will be decluttering some of the reversed products, but I will show you guys that next month after I do my review. So by next update, I think the 4 of these can be finished, which would be amazing. If I use up anything else, great. I'm not really expecting to, but I really hope that I can get these knocked out, have a few more empties before the end of the year. But I would love to hear your thoughts if you've tried these products. I would love to know what hair, skin, and body products you are working on right now. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.